Hey crafters, so welcome back to my channel. First of all, I would like to congratulate everyone as we hit 40,000 subscribers. And if you haven't subscribed, please make sure to subscribe and also hit the bell icon. So we're going to make a flapbook today. You'll require cardstock sheet, glue, magnets, two-sided tape, glitter foam sheets and pattern sheets. Take a 30 by 12 sheet and follow the measurements properly. Score on the dashed lines. So I've already cut the 30 by 12 centimeter sheet. Mark at 12 centimeters and again mark at 24 centimeters. After that you are left with 6 centimeters. Divide the sheet at 6 centimeters and draw a slanting line joining from that point. Now cut the excess part. Score at the lines that you had made. You will be requiring 11 by 11 4 pattern paper sheets. I am using these peacock pattern sheets that I have showed in the haul last week. If you haven't checked out that video, please check my previous video of the live haul. So after the flapbook is ready, take a two-sided tape and stick 2 small magnets on it. Now cut it in their shapes as I am doing. Stick the magnet on top of the another magnet and close the flap. And your flapbook base is ready. I've printed out these stickers. As you can see, I will be sticking them with two-sided tape. You can print out any stickers of your choice. Now you require 3 7 by 7 yellow paper sheets and pattern paper sheets will be 6 by 6 centimeters. Now to create a compartment, take a glitter foam sheet. Stick glue only on the edges. Now you will be requiring some sticks for this. Some wooden sticks or paper sticks will also do. Write love on the glitter foam sheet and cut it out. After cutting it out, stick them on the sticks that you have got. Again, take a two-sided tape and stick them on both the edges. You can easily print out these stickers from Google. And so our flapbook card is ready. So guys, thanks for watching, and if you like my video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. I will be doing a giveaway soon, so please make sure that you have followed me on Instagram. So yeah, let's wrap up the video, and thanks for watching again, and also check out my previous videos here.